All available squadrons, divert to the new red corridor. I want eyes on that convoy immediately.
They've breached the perimeter, Ghost.
Scramble the interceptors. All available units divert to Sector Gamma.
Control, this is Ghost. Be advised, multiple inbound contacts bearing 090.
All units converge on Sector Gamma immediately. I want targeting solutions for the primary objective within the next 30 seconds. Move. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
The target package is updated. We have confirmation on the northern route. Move to phase line 3.
All squadrons, this is Ghost. Execute the final approach vector. We go live in T-minus 60 seconds.
Confirmed. Launching air support now.
All teams, execute launch sequence Alpha.
Copy. Launching in 2 minutes. Let's move!
Hydraulic pressure holding steady.
Copy that. Bay 2 is green.
Weapons check complete. This is command to all units. Cleared for takeoff. I repeat, cleared for takeoff. All systems green. Drone is secure for transport. Move out. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch! All aircraft, this is Ghost. Launch sequence is green. Godspeed. Weapons hot. Confirming target lock. Ready for approach.
have confirmed targets at grid coordinates 4R. Proceed immediately. Execute drop sequence Alpha.
Copy that. Engaging now.
The formation is holding steady. We are proceeding to target. All wings maintain current vector.
Route data confirmed. Pushing through the squall line now. All squadrons, maintain altitude and speed. Confirm target acquisition in Sector 4. Formation is holding steady at Mach 2. All squadrons report green.
All units, shift vector to grid Charlie 7. Accelerate to maximum burn. We have a narrow window.
Ramirez, Ghost 1. Maneuver data confirmed. Banking hard left through the clouds. Reroute immediate air support to the northern corridor. Vector 7-4 is clear for approach.
Fleet trajectory holding steady at Vector 09er, Commander.
Acknowledged. All units report green status.
We have incoming telemetry from the lead squadron.